Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making chin chin with very basic ingredients. So here we have our all-purpose flour mixed with baking powder. Here we have sugar. Here we have egg and of course nutmeg. Okay, so I'm not using any butter to make this chin chin because we are just making it, with very basic ingredients, and I tell you it's gonna come out amazingly well. Okay people, let's start. So I'm going to use this sieve to sieve the flour, and here we have the flour. One thing about chin chin is at the end of the day your hand will get messy at the end of the day, so but it's just for a little time. So when you are doing this, definitely you're gonna have some flaws in your hands, but it's okay. So we don't want any maybe particles inside, so we are going to use this sieve to make sure everything is very smooth. So you can see oops. Look at this. Can you guys see? Okay guys, so this is done. So next, so we have a very smooth flour here right now. Next, I am going to be adding the sugar here. Here we have the sugar. Here we have the nutmeg. We are making this chin chin with very basic ingredients, and I tell you it's gonna be very quick and yummy, very delicious. It's gonna be quick and delicious. Okay, so mix together. So next, I'm going to be adding the egg. Okay guys, so at this point, so this is the texture we are having right now. Next, I'm going to be adding water, but when adding this water you have to be extra careful because you don't want to over add water, right? So here we have our water. Gently at this point in time, we have gotten the perfect texture. Look at this. It is no longer sticky. It's not sticking to my palm any longer. So you can now cut it and roll it to any shape of size that you want. So at this point in time, it is time to roll. So I started by adding dry flour to the rolling board, and this is to prevent it from sticking to the board. So you are free to roll your dough and then cut it to any shape and size of your choice. Enjoy the rest of the video.